Oh yeah, I've started. There was somebody who sent me a message on the last chat, but I'm so old and retarded that I cannot be watching just the chat and the game at the same time. I can barely manage the game. So, let's play until I rage quit, or even better, let's play until wifey comes and yells at me. Cheers. But I'd rather behave. Not so many swear words this time. I just rewatched the other. Jesus Christ. No. Misbehaving. So, let's start. Anyways, yes, definitely want to play a bit. Especially if you're level 6 and you will drag me up. No problem. So, let's watch. 8, 7, yeah. Okay, back. We will play this one. Oh no! I have forgotten my... Oh. Viva Las Vegas. Who was it now? Everybody can be a hero for one day. It was not Sting. Spaceman or something like that. What was his name now? Englishman. Crooked Teeth, of course. Everybody can be a hero for a day. Look. We will go. Oh.
Attention to the map. Attack the A point. Panzer. 12 Uhr.
Oh God. Oh God.
Vorladungsgranate geladen. Panzer. 11 Uhr. Im Nahbereich. Vorladung geladen.
Thank you.
Panzer.
Oh.
11 Uhr. Nah. Unterwegs.
Aye.
Panzer. 10 Uhr. Nah. Fehlschuss kurz. Vorladungsgranate geladen. Getroffen. Vorladung geladen. Panzer. 1 Uhr. Entfernung 450 Meter.
Mouse. Bloody hell.
Panzer. 2 Uhr. Im
Got that
Nahbereich.
god bastard. Okay.
Vorladungsgranate geladen. Artillerieschlag in unserem Sektor. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 4. Stören. Delta 4.
Oh. Where? Oh.
Panzer. 1 Uhr. Entfernung 400 Meter. Erste Aufschläge in Kürze. Attention to the designated grid zone. Feindliche Startfeuer in
Oh my God.
Wir wurden getroffen. Uhr. Entfernung
whatever. AP, SFD.
Artillerieschlag in eurem Sektor. Attention to the map.
Okay. Maybe. I'm sorry, not too much commentary right now because, you know, when I'm getting stretched mentally. So we will try to first we'll try to segment to the what do you call it, to the west, but no, eastern part of the map. We need to like be sneaky bastards.
Attention to the map. Dieser Rot! Dieser Rot! Dieser Rot! Wir wurden getroffen! Entfernt!
What was that?
There are forces of Captain
Mommy,
Rome.
I'm a little bit hurt. Anyways, I don't know what that was. It was a PMP1, huh? Yes. I can hear something. What can I hear? He's there. Bastard. Okay.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Okay, there's no way around the bush. There's somewhere on.
We've got to counterattack.
Aye!
Defend
Oh,
the A point.
Raketjagdpanzer, yes, of course. Or what is. No.
Attack the A point. Defend the A point.
There's no way around it. Aye! No! The curse of the gnome. Anyways, if anybody's watching this, I cannot read the comments. Because I do not have dual screen.
10 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter.
More. Oh, jeez. And then gonna die now. Fiery. Huh? I need to be fast. Aim, fast aiming and
Blattpanzer. 11 Uhr. Nah. Ziel ausgeschaltet.
okay, he's coming my way here.
12 Uhr. Im Nahbereich. Getroffen. Ziel zerstört.
I stood a shot! No. Well. Where are my marshmallows?
Attention to the map.
Hej. Pappa,
Ah, hej! Vad säger du?
jag ska ta en sovbamsa.
Ska du hämta en sovbamse?
Tui.
Ja, okej. Pappa, ska pappa komma ut där?
Nej, jag har ett sov.
Vad är det då?
Nej, jag vill se på mig av en.
Okay. I'm sorry, my daughter is here.
Sorry för pappa, han har öppnat marshmallows.
Kids, they are so bloody funny. She heard me with the marshmallows. Oh, yeah, you know.
Vi säger på marshmallows.
Kan pappa säga marshmallows?
Ja.
Så det var äldre i tanksen, sa pappa. Har du funnit dockorna till dig?
Nej, det var ett ansvar.
Give me a second. Hur ser den ut?
Jag tror inte han. Så jag vet.
Vars du?
Ja.
Hur ser den ut? Vars du på så ser? Får jag fortälla pappa? En frö? Vad vet? Var det så jag sa det?
Ja.
Okej.
Jag såg han vid en smärta.
Yeah. I'm sorry for that, but, you know, you need to juggle sometimes. And let's die in a horrible bonfire. Yeah, just this one, that one. Though I have. Oh, this is so annoying. Come on, white. Yes. White, brown, brown, standard. Excellent. Waste of time. Let's go. 10. Let's see. Very few. Merca. Yeah, it is more of EU. No, this is EU. Oh. Please. Okay. Let's play 7-7. BMP. I quite like this tank.
Jetzt wird's ernst, Leute. Feind von Heil.
Okay.
Zum Gefecht. Kraftfahrer bereit. Richtschütze bereit.
I like the scout here.
Thank you. 12 Uhr. Entfernung.
Oh,
850
stupid
Meter.
bastard.
Schuss rechts! Weiter links!
Aye,
4 Grad. Unterwegs.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
please.
Panzer. 1 Uhr. Entfernung. 600 Meter.
Aye. Play stupid games but win stupid prizes. I can't do this anymore, I think. What? I got heat FS, isn't it not number? Number 3.
Leitspiegelgeschoss. Nahen.
Yeah.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Panzer. 11 Uhr. Entfernung. 850 Meter.
We're winning.
Panzer. 10 Uhr. Entfernung. 1200 Meter. Panzer. 10 Uhr. Entfernung. 1200 Meter. Panzer. 11 Uhr. Entfernung. 1000 Meter. Panzer. 2 Uhr. Entfernung.
But I'm glad to see my teammates are doing okay.
Panzer. 11
So
Uhr. Entfernung. 850 Meter.
their time is not wasted.
Panzer. 12 Uhr. Entfernung. 600 Meter.
Mein Spiegel was not successful in penetration.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Charlie. 4. Stören. Charlie.
I can't remember whether that was the correct ammo even. That is
11 Uhr. Entfernung. 700 Meter.
why something like this.
Panzer. 1 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Motorstieg in Flammen! Rechter Kette beschädigt! Seitenlichtantrieb ausgefallen! Wir wurden getroffen!
Panzer. 1 Uhr. Nah.
Luftunterstützung auf dem Weg.
You know, it was unable to penetrate that shit anyways. You just need to make sure APT is. No, I'm gonna like that.
Panzer. 12 Uhr. Entfernung. 850 Meter.
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory is close.
Luckily, the game spawned me a lot from far away from the enemy, so I don't die that quick. Nice. Maybe I said something too soon. I can die. We can die. Everybody's.
Panzer. 2 Uhr. Nah.
My God, no goddamn penetration.
12 Uhr. Im Nahbereich. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta.
And look at that, Kettenautomaten, huh?
Delta. Bereit. Bestätige Koordinaten. Abgefasst. Abgefeuert. Panzer. 2 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Hey, fuck it.
Panzer. 2 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Aye. No. Yeah. Oh. 12. 1.
Aufsitzen und Bereitschaft für Feindkontakt.
Gefechtsbereitschaft herstellen.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Lichtschütze bereit.
Yeah. Atom stiff. But they want, my buddies want to meet them at the battlefield, at close to their position. Who's shooting here? I don't understand that random shooting, giving away the position.
1 Uhr. Entfernung 350 Meter.
Ziel beschädigt.
Okay, you can't run anymore, buddy. You?
Vorladung geladen.
Ziel getroffen.
Vorladungsgranate geladen.
Getroffen.
Panzer 2 Uhr. Ja.
Okay. Faster some. Oh! How? Oh my god, look at that guy. He's like proper annoyed.
Luftunterstützung auf dem Weg.
People are so angry. The animosity of this game, you know. It's the closest to last circle in hell, I think. It spawns the demons. That's how.
To the designated grid zone.
Yeah.
Hubschrauber 4 Uhr. Entfernung 1200 Meter.
We're ahead of the enemy.
Panzer 12 Uhr. Entfernung 300 Meter. Attack the main point! Panzer 11 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Aye. Okay. Why did I do that? I should have just waited. To be honest. Choose here. I got 6 and the hash.
Luftunterstützung in Kürze. Panzer, 12 Uhr, nah.
Now I need to be a little bit smart here.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Charlie, 5, niederhalten. Charlie, 5, bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst, abgefeuert.
Please. Huh?
Ziel getroffen! Wir wurden getroffen!
Kraftfahrer, rückwärts, Marsch!
Feindspiegelgeschoss geladen! Ziel beschädigt! Ziel abgeschaltet!
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten.
Look at that. That's like
5, stören. Charlie, 5, bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst, abgefeuert. Vorwärts.
Verstanden? Vorwärts Marsch!
thank you. Well, Well, yeah, I helped. I was that poor little bunny that got murdered. So, yeah. Let's see here. Now I got that super. I will not even try to order it. Then the next leveling target is, I hate that one, definitely gonna be this one. We've got 3 games left. Vision and Vitality, I don't know. Vision, I think. Here. Never played that anyways. And that Martyr. So, be right back. Just need to have something to drink. Yeah, and I'm back. Let's trade this on for size. $10. North America. Oh, typical. Oh, there's so many maps I hate here. I cannot ban this one because I got maximal banned maps. Oh God. Okay, we will try. Hope CRA.
Jetzt wird ein Slaughter.
See.
Einwandfrei. Klar machen zum Gefecht.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Lichtschütze bereit.
We will just blast through here and go to, I think that is a parking lot, yeah. No, a graveyard or something like that. Let's see. Run. Run, Forrest. Oh my Jesus, huh? That's a fast Panzer. Oh my God.
Weiter links.
60 Grad.
Vorladung geladen.
Come here. Come to daddy. I'm not ready. I'm not ready to die yet. Huh?
Panzer. 1 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter. Leopard. 2 Uhr. Entfernung 350 Meter. Panzer.
This is a very precarious situation. I cannot.
Leopard. 12 Uhr. Entfernung 350 Meter.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Panzer. 11 Uhr.
Oh my God!
450 Meter.
Most of the strategic zones are captured.
Panzer.
Don't even hit them.
12 Uhr. Entfernung 450 Meter.
Where is the other bugger?
2
Oh my god,
Entfernung 400
my body.
Meter.
Hochladungsgranate geladen. Fehlschuss, nach links korrigieren.
Oh, fuck.
Leopard, 1 Uhr. Entfernung 350 Meter.
Hochladung geladen.
Panzer, 10 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
We're ahead of the enemy.
Come on. Don't manage to... Ai! I don't get it. Just goddamn give them the bee. Lost both wings.
We've captured most of the strategic zones.
Panzer, 11 Uhr. Entfernung 700 Meter. Panzer, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 400 Meter. Panzer, 8 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo 1. Stören. Echo 1. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst. Abgefeuert.
Captain funktionsunfähig.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Wir wurden getroffen.
Luftunterstützung in Kürze. Enemy forces have captured that zone.
Sprengstoffladen. Attention to the designated grid zone.
Request check assist.
Luftunterstützung auf dem Weg.
Panzer, 1 Uhr. Da. Panzer, 1 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Ziel getroffen. Fehlschuss hoch. Geschütz einsatzbereit.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo 3. Niederhalten.
Echo 3. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst. Abgefeuert.
Attention to the designated grid square. Panzer, 8 Uhr. Entfernung 550 Meter.
Luftunterstützung im Anflug. We're controlling most of the zones.
Kraftfahrer, vorwärts, Marsch.
Verstanden.
BA and artillery piece,
Panzer!
the light
11
tank.
Uhr! Entfernung 400 Meter!
We need to like circumvent, perhaps hide behind this Ferdinand.
Panzer! 9 Uhr! Entfernung 500 Meter! Panzer! 10 Uhr! Entfernung 350 Meter! Panzer! 9 Uhr! Entfernung 1000 Meter! Panzer! 10 Uhr! Entfernung 350 Meter! Flakpanzer! 12 Uhr! Nah! Panzer! 11 Uhr! Im Nahbereich! Wir wurden getroffen! Panzer! 11 Uhr! Nah!
Request check assist.
Panzer! 1 Uhr! Entfernung 750 Meter!
It's very clear that we would lose.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo 2.
Tiger.
Echo! Oh! Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefahren. Abgefeuert.
Wir wurden getroffen!
Yes. What can I say? Oh. Two left. There might be a little bit of aviation. I shall take the chance. Definitely more players. A small game. Well. Okay, let's look at the. Oh, I knew it. You know what? I think I'm almost done playing aviation. If this is gonna be it. Oh, Jesus! What to play? Let's die a couple of times now. Wrong bombs even. Yay. I hope I got my or maybe I haven't leveled these bombs yet. So did I press series? Look at those. Oh, look, too bad. This scatter is. Oh. Okay, that doesn't work. That was sucky. Ah. Oh. Jeez. Okay. That was a good run. Anyways. So who was hacking here? Thunder, ooh. Nice hacks, Thunderjet. I don't know what that is. Anyways, let's try that one. See here. Thunderjet? Or was it just the aircraft that was named Thunderjet? He's probably dead, that guy. Maybe I didn't. What's happening here? TA-152. That's a German plane, isn't it? Come on, Bobby. Oh my God! Come on! Jesus, man. Huh? Talk about hitting nothing. Come on. This. Need to get something here. Get him. And we win.
Far ahead of the enemy. We suffered a defeat.
Oh my God. Hey ho, hey ho, hey ho, hey ho, hey ho. Okay, we're gonna save this replay. Airframe does good and compressor does also good, so they are very low in phone modules. Purchase. And we go to engine. Thank you. So let's see if I can. 27. Yes. No. Yes. Not fully. No. Of course not. This. Yeah. And give me slight advantage. I don't want to use all my shit here. What do I got? Okay, I got no bombs. And oh yeah, no, I do not. This is for. We like to research that. This is for bases. maybe crew training. I saw somewhere that this is does not work. I don't know. But we want the pilot leveled up first. So let's take one. And then one of these games. Hey ho, hey ho. So, yeah. I did choose one of the highest that I got. Then what? Please, please, please. 8-7. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Sucks. Okay then.
¡Entren a su vehículo!
¡Silencio! ¡Conductor listo! ¡Tapicero, listo! ¡Cargador listo!
That's my worst nightmare, being top of the top dog. Not top skill wise, but top dog expectation wise. That's also TAM, so that's nice. Okay, boy. I shall. Why do you shoot, you muppet? Yeah, he's gonna get me killed. Or he has probably got me killed already.
¡Tanque! ¡10 en punto! ¡Alcance! 350!
Oh,
Recon report. Enemy spotted.
yeah, thank you very much.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
What's that? Stridswagen? I can't face him head on. Sloping armor and all that crap. We can always try. Oh, not and a Israeli tank. I really like those. I have mentioned that's my favorite. Yeah. USA.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
The victory is near.
Request check assist.
Panzer! 12 Uhr! Im Nahbereich!
Need backup. Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Luftunterstützung auf dem Weg!
Thank you very much. Attention to the designated grid zone.
On me!
just shot you.
1 Uhr. Entfernung 600 Meter.
Ziel beschädigt! Ziel zerstört!
We don't have the advantage anymore.
Luftunterstützung in Kürze. Flakpanzer 11 Uhr.
The enemy has captured most of the strategic zones. The enemy is getting closer to victory.
Of course. This S2, she was like. Thank you very much. Huh?
Getroffen!
Leopard 10 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Wir wurden getroffen!
You can see it through. No, they all choose to stay back. I'm dead as a doornail, anyways.
Erste Aufschläge in Kürze.
Geschütz einsatzbereit!
Vorsicht! Luftangriff!
Okay. We need to get out of here.
Wir wurden getroffen!
Panzer 12 Uhr.
Aye!
Rein!
Can't shoot. That is goddamn. That's tiresome. Come on, you bastards. Yeah. See?
The enemy is winning. We must counterattack.
Leopard 10 Uhr. Nah.
Schuss hoch!
Feuerbereitschaft.
Ziel getroffen! Fehlschuss! Nach links korrigieren! Weit! Tief anrichten!
Heute ist nicht unser Tag. Rückzug und Feuer.
Bloody nice. Jesus Christ. Well, that's also always something. Tracks. And then we got parts and we want that. Then we want this one. Sabot discharge. What do I got here? KC. Huh? $78, $80, $81. 1 5. What? What the hell? I got that one. Yeah, I got that one. Yeah, stupid. Oh my god. Smoke shells. Orange finder, perhaps. One. Otherwise, need for speed. Let's take that one. Let's see if I have some crew trainings. No. Oh, no, no. this is from the air battle I had just prior, or air battles. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna stay out of the city as much as possible. Armor piercing, heat. I have seen on the YouTubes that one can like bounce heats off the ground into the bottom of the tank.
¡Silencio! Conductor listo. Maquinero listo. Cargador listo.
Russian atomic tank. And look at this. Oh my god, I hate that. Lack of discipline.
¡Tanque! ¡11 en punto! ¡Alcance!
They could see us
500. ¡Tanque!
2 minutes before we were there.
¡Alcance! 300. ¡Pasó! ¡Ajustar a la derecha! 10 grados. ¡Perforación de blindaje cargado! 372. 11 en punto. ¡Al quemarropa!
That is a damn doornail. That's what I am.
¡Perforación de blindaje cargado! ¡Tanque! 1 en punto. ¡Al quemarropa! ¡Tanque! 12 en punto. ¡Cerca! ¡Tanque! 12 en punto. ¡Alcance! 500. ¡Tanque! 12 en punto. ¡Al quemarropa! ¡Por abajo! ¡Ajustar hacia arriba! ¡Perforación de blindaje cargado!
What happened here? I lost my screen. Which button is that? Oh my god.
Captured a zone.
BNP, 11 en punto. Alcance, 400. BNP, 11 en punto. Alcance, 400.
Okay, I'm in trouble. How I did push some combination. I lost all the thingies on my screen. Please. Also the minimap.
Ziel, 12 Uhr. Entfernung, 600 Meter.
Huh? Okay. I am properly screwed now.
1 Uhr. Entfernung,
Okay.
1000 Meter.
Hood. Has something to do with hood there. Controls. Aircraft common. Basic. Alt and set. Was that what I pressed? Yes. Jesus. What a scare.
12 Uhr. Entfernung, 700 Meter.
Okay.
Forces have captured the zone.
Just need to.
Flieger, 3 Uhr. Entfernung,
Hold.
1600 Meter.
No attacking. Holding.
Panzer, 10 Uhr. Entfernung, 350 Meter.
Let's stay here.
Schützenpanzer, 11 Uhr. Entfernung,
God.
350 Meter.
Who shot me? Ah, Max. So,
Attention to the map!
The patients. Why are they fighting in the city?
Ziel, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 550 Meter.
And the French guy is coming here.
Panzer, 11 Uhr.
Okay.
Entfernung 500 Meter.
Is this a ranged or what?
Luftangriff.
Oh, that's a light tank.
Ziel getroffen!
Oh my god.
Seeschuss hoch!
Treibspiegel geladen. Ziel, 11 Uhr. Entfernung 500 Meter. Panzer, 11 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Ziel zerstört!
Panzer, 1 Uhr. Entfernung 650 Meter.
Seeschuss hoch!
Treibspiegel geladen. Panzer, 1 Uhr. Im Nahbereich.
Not even a scratch. Well, I did hit him in the most thick part of it, like my skull. Going fine and dandy, yeah. Oh shit. One more. Let's see. Did they? No, not for after the next battle. Oh, the same map. Oh my god, that's incredible. Out of all the maps there are, then you're getting tired. Okay, they will stay here, I will go there, or no. No. I don't know.
¡A la batalla!
¡Prepárense! Conductor listo. Artillero listo.
Cargador listo!
Yeah, just shoot. Annoyed the crap out of me already.
¡Tanque! ¡Un en punto! ¡Alcance! 500.
Come again.
9 en punto. ¡Alcance! 300. ¡Tanque! 10 en punto. ¡A quemarropa! ¡Tanque! 1 en punto. ¡A quemarropa!
Preparación de blindaje cargado.
¡Tanque! 12 en punto. ¡Cerca! ¡Tanque! 2 en punto. ¡A quemarropa!
Was that the head of my body?
¡Tanque! 2 en punto. ¡Cerca!
¡El motor se está quemando!
¡Objetivo destruido! ¡Tanque! 12 en punto. ¡Cerca!
Merkava, 12 Uhr. Entfernung 650 Meter.
Enemy forces captured a goal.
Panzer, 11 Uhr. Entfernung 600 Meter. Panzer, 11 Uhr. Entfernung 850 Meter.
Request tech assist.
Panzer, 11 Uhr.